like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And I'm slowly coming back to normal. I did get my hair dyed finally. I don't look like I'm 90 anymore. Still look like hell, but you know how that goes. I'm a woman. You wouldn't bitch if I was a man. Alright, this is what we're doing. And I forgot to fix my nails. But this that's going to fix them, because this time I got the other kind of Loctite and it don't work right. Because you can't get it out of the damn bottle right. Anyway, this one I believe is the one I got from Poshmark. Which is a totally different guy. Totally different, no, Whatnot. I got it off Whatnot. That's what it was. And it's a totally different guy, so let's see how he did. And I'll put how much I paid for the thing, because honestly, I can't remember. But it wasn't very much. So we'll see what we got. Okay, here's a phone case with a little, it's kind of cute, actually. I don't know if it fit my phone or not. It's kind of cute. You know, you put your little cards here. Kind of cute. This feels like another phone case, but I don't know, so I will open it. It says show your style, so I'm assuming. Yeah, it's another phone case, and it's got the 4-hole. It's another phone case. These are hard to sell, believe it or not. Because everybody's got such different phones. This is another phone case, and it's a huge one. Look at this sucker. I can't even open it. There, I got it. And it's just a clear case. It's encasing, so I know I have my glasses on, I could read it, but even with my glasses, I can't read it when they print small. So there's that, and then here's another phone case. And it's got a little thing on it too. Yeah, here it is. And it's just a clear case with a square. I don't even know. I'll look at them closer and see what size they are and see which kid will take them. And here is a cute little green top. Yeah, that's my sister. She looks good in green. Now, see, I know everybody says, oh, why you waste your money on that when you get a bad one? When you get a good one, you know, it makes up for it. But also, even the bad ones, I'm just like a little kid. I just like looking at them. Look at this little guy. It's a decal. This is silly stuff. These little heart glasses. You know how cute those are going to look on my great-granddaughter? And she just loves glasses. You know, sunglasses and stuff. She just loves them. And we got this. These are stickers. I can use those when I go to the craft fair this year. I only do one a year. Lazy. I just do that so I can see the kids. Here's a Christmas ornament. To my only love. If I had to choose between loving you and breathing, I would choose you. But that's just sad. Great. I want to hold a corpse the rest of my life. I'm not putting that back in the box. Thank you for thinking about my future. I don't want to hold a corpse the rest of my life. This is another one. I probably should put them glasses back on, but they glare back at you. Oh, this is another one. Neighbor bestie. You know, neighbor / bestie. I'm looking around at my neighbors and thinking, you live in a different neighborhood than I do. And here's, I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, this is a mirror that you can hang in your shower. You can almost see yourself. But you might be able to use it to blow up so you can tell if it's body oil or body lotion, body gel or shampoo. Because some of them fancy kinds, right, so small, you take your glasses off and you have no idea what you're putting on your head. Can't tell I'm starting to feel better. That'll only last a week or two, so enjoy this. Oh gosh, look. I love it. I'm banging, man. Yeah, that'll scare the crap out of me. That goes with my mask I got in that one. Yeah, I think I could put the fear of God in a man with that. Jory Wynn will be going, why do you tell people that? Oh, and these are little pads and eye mask. And it comes in a tin. And it even says left and right on it. Cute little tin, though. Let's see what this is. Happy birthday. It's a birthday balloon. What is this? This is scotch. I don't know what it is. Scotch brand. Fit to size. We would if we knew what it was. It looks like, I don't know why it's got an art easel on it. Oh. Felt pads. Felt pads you cut to size. Put under your furniture. Boy. Could you tell that by looking at that? Nope, me either. This is fun for the feet. Well, that's just for all activities. Arch insole. Ideal for heel spurs, plantar fasciitis, arch pain, flat feet, and bears, whatever that is. Some hair ties. Oh, this is a mystery in a mystery. This is pretty well packed. I think this is the guy off of Whatnot. But I'll double check, make sure by the name. But yeah, the other guy says, oh, well, I'll set that one from, this is one of these cords. It goes like this to this. I don't know. So, something from the 60s. Yeah. This is, heaven only knows, comes with a screwdriver. Comes with a screwdriver, whatever this is. And it comes with this, whatever this is. Oh, it's a thing for your key fob. Yeah, it's a dress-up thing for your key fob. That is my microwave going off. So I'm going to run in there and turn it off. Just drive me crazy. Yeah, the guy from that one cruddy box that I asked him to put all in one box. Yeah, he don't. Well, what? He's sending the other 3. He don't know what happened to him. Well, I know what happened to him. You never sent them. Yeah, he's going to send them. And you're going to like these. Well, yeah, I probably will now. Since you know I'm going to blast you on the internet. And this is Perfector 4-in-1 from Maybelline. Got a plastic seal over it. That's what it's checking, but Here's a bunch of stickers. The heck is this? Oh, it's a little pouch for your purse. I assume it's to put medicine in or something. Not that I care. Well, mine would fit in it, but phew, I'm sweating. What's this? This is tattoo balm. Here's a wig thing. You know. What the heck are these? These are little tiny bottles. See, they're just little tiny bottles. Oh well, let's just find out, because it's a mystery. This is one of those mysteries, and I'm not really... I have no idea what it does. Tear the back because you can't... That's just all they are, is a little plastic. I know who could use those. Haley could use those for her little rhinestones, for her little diamond thing she does. Oh, and this is a makeup brush. One of those two-ended ones, even. There's some... I don't think they're stickers. I think it's a car freshener, actually. Here's some more scrunchies. We got a pair of shoes. A pair of them awful ones. I always hated them. Sun and Sky. Who knows what size it is? I don't know. This bag is not a toy. I play with it, it is. You gotta think, who was the first person that handed their kid a fucking bag to play with? Thought it was intelligent. I can't read it. I would have told you if I could, but I can't. Can't read it. Come on now, we've got an avalanche going on. It's alright. It's alright, we got it. And we got some pressed powder. I don't know what brand. What is it? Oh, Milani. We got something here. We got something. What the heck is it? What the heck is it? Oh my God, it's a onesie. It's a onesie, no lie. Look, it's a onesie. A black onesie. That big. Yep. That's funny. I got string from something. And lastly, we got makeup. What are they? Risque Beauté Moisture Matte Lipstick. 8 pack. Bring out the vixen in you. Yeah, I can sell that. So that was this box. Now I can figure out which guy. I think this is the one that was coming from Poshmark, but I will leave all the information below. So, you know the routine. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, because old people need love too, and share the love. Bye.